Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be talking about this platform that gives you little money daily for you to claim. So before I dive into it, I'll make a quick introduction. In this channel I'll tell you guys how you can earn few money online without investment. So if this is your first time, please kindly subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and stay tuned for more videos. So now let's dive into the main thing that we are here. To get this app, the link is in the description box. So when you click on the link, you have to register. So after registering, this will be your dashboard. So here, this app is called Good Wallet. Here you have to claim G coins to accumulate. When you claim G coins, you will see the amount here. You will see it in dollar. So currently I have $2.66 in my wallet. So I'll show you guys how you can claim and how you can swap to withdraw. So this is where you can claim. This place they wrote $GoodDollar. You click on it. When you see that plus sign, you know that it's time for you to claim. So you click here, claim, and you wait for it. So I have claimed for today. If you want to invite people, you can still go back to that $GoodDollar, click invite reward, and copy your invite to share to people. So this is it. Now let's go back. How do you swap and withdraw? This thing will not give you a lot of money, quite alright, but if you are consistent, you will get something from it. You're not investing nothing. Your penny will not enter. So the only thing there is every day you come and claim, invite people. That's the only thing you need to do. But the money is little, but still, since it's not investment, you can do it. So how do we withdraw? Before you can withdraw, you need to swap your token, your $GoodDollar, to where you're going to withdraw it. So let me say now I want to send. Select token. So the Celo network. This is how you will send, but before you can send, you go and swap. This is the swap button. This is it. So you click on swap. How swap works: you can swap over 10,000 tokens around across multi blockchain. Make sure you have enough gas on the selected chain. Some swap may take a few minutes to complete. So you click on I understand. I'm not actually swapping, but I'll show you guys how you can swap and withdraw. I'm not actually withdrawing because I don't want to withdraw yet. So I'll just show you guys how you can do it, but I'm not actually doing it, if you guys do understand. So you now select from. So I'm selecting from my Good Wallet here. From here, you select the destination. You Celo. If you check up, you do not find the Celo. This is my Celo network. Or you can just come here and search Celo. You click it. See? So when you are done, you click on pay mask. So this is the amount you will receive. 31.52 Celo. You don't have enough gas fee to complete transaction. You need at least 0.0 Celo. So they say I don't have enough gas fee to swap. So this is their alternative. It's either you use this or you slide and use the alternative. The alternative, you don't need to use gas fee, but they will charge. They will reduce your money. If you check this one now, we have 2.33, but here we have 2.32. So they took one from it. So you can now go ahead and click on review and swap your Celo. So after swapping, you come here, click on send. When you click on send, you click on mask or put the amount that you want to withdraw. So after putting it, come here and put your address. So how do you get your address? I'll be making use of Binance for this tutorial because that's the crypto wallet I normally use for withdrawals. So now let's go to Binance to copy our address. So this is my Binance. Now I'll click on assets, or you stay home, any one of your choice. So click on add funds, on chain deposit, then search the network that we are looking for, Celo. So this is it. You click on it. This is it. So you click on the Celo network, select, and you copy. So when you copy, you go back to the good wallet, you paste. After pasting, you can now click on review transaction and you make your withdrawal. You will receive it immediately to your Binance. So you can still check any crypto account you are using. You can still check if there is Celo, then you copy your address, paste it for withdrawing. So this is basically all you need to know about this platform. It's not difficult. This is just it. It's not difficult. You can still come here, tap on this thing to change to your preferred currency that you want. Just come here, change anything. Come here to your settings and you read the addresses and everything, the policy, everything that you need to know about it. And also, if you want to read their news, you can come to GoodDollar, click on news, and you can read their news, everything about them. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching up to this hour. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So for more tips like this, you can join my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group. Bye.